Hey guys, it's Vignesh from BreVITy. Coding is a game of logic. To win any game, we need a sound battle strategy. Let us discuss the roadmap that our channel is going to follow to conquer DSA. Let us take a visual tour using a medieval analogy. The first thing will be a crash course on the basics needed for the series, like guide to choosing a programming language and their corresponding STL. We will try to be as language agnostic as possible, so feel free to choose one of the three programming languages that we support. After which, we will set sails for two-pointer algorithms and then sliding window algorithms and trees and graphs and then finally DP. We will learn data structures and their implementations side by side while exploring an algorithm. Hence, we strongly encourage you to be on board with us throughout this entire journey. Let us get an idea of different classes of algorithms. Two-pointer is a class of algorithms that requires two pointers or two variables. It is an algorithmic technique that applies to a vast array of use cases. This class solves problems that involves cycle detection, point of intersection, lowest common ancestors, to name a few. It's a very popular programming pattern which consists of processing a list or a stream of data, one chunk of neighboring elements at a time. They have a lot of mathematical and real-life applications. A large number of tree problems can be classified into two algorithmic patterns, breadth-first search and depth-first search. Depth-first search is a variety of problems that follow recursion, while BFS is a queue-based technique. This is generally a low-hanging fruit since there are only certain number of possible problems that can be made with trees. Graphs are a type of data structure that consists of interconnected nodes. We will explore directed and undirected graph-based algorithms using adjacency list representation into the series. Dynamic programming means to store the results of intermediate subproblems so you can derive the results for future subproblems. The main subcategories are top-down DP and bottom-up DP. These are notoriously hard for first-time learners, so please stay put. Deeper into the series, we might explore the uncharted waters of binary search, pattern search, backtracking, and other mathematical problems. You can follow along on our weekly schedule. On weekdays, there will be new YouTube videos uploaded. On Saturdays, there will be live interaction and QA on Discord. And on Sundays, we'll have Problem of the Week. Well, that concludes our roadmap to conquering DSA. You can find the link in description for a much detailed plan and problems. See you guys soon.